So guys, I react to Ruby Bubble's sneeze problem on Isadore's Clubhouse, and that gave me just an idea. Ding! And my brain is settled. I finished the rest, so I can start working on my very own art. Okay, let's go. This only took me 41 pages. Hi there. Hey. It's me, Luca. Wanna come to my clubhouse? Great. Now follow me. Oh, I forgot to say a magic word. Say woof, woof, Luca. Say it with me. Woof, woof, Luca. Bum 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 bum. G-A-N-U and C-N-A. That's me. G-N-U C-N-A. That's me. It's the it's the Lucas Clubhouse. Come on, neighbor, let's go. Do. Ready. Alabama Orange. Number box 1 trillion. BFDI Ruby. Luca. It's Lucas Clubhouse. Come on, everyone, let's go. It's the Lucas Clubhouse. Ruby's sneeze problem. Oh, someone's at my door. Oh, hi, Ruby. Hi. Dad, too. You have a sneeze problem? Yeah. Let's get inside. After that. Alright, let's get the surgery. We have to say, oh, Juden. Oh, Juden. Oh, Juden. So, we have a tissue and a mystery thing. And a mystery thing and x-ray. Which one I think will help? I think the tissue. Here, Ruby, try this. Okay. Did that work? No, I keep sneezing. Oh, let's try again. Sometime later. I have an x-ray. Let me put it on you. Doot. Whoa, I stopped sneezing. Thank you, Luca. Yoi. The end.